Welcome back, Facebook users. Are you tired of missing out on important events on Facebook? Well, today we have a solution for you. In this tutorial, we'll guide you through the steps of turning on notifications for events on Facebook using your PC. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Facebook. Step 2. Click on the notification icon from the top right corner. Step 3. Click on the three dots. A drop-down menu will appear. Step 4. Click on Notification Settings. This will take you to the Settings page for your notifications. Step 5. Scroll down to find Events and click on it. This will allow you to customize the notification settings for events. Step 6. Toggle on the switch next to Allow Notifications on Facebook. This will enable notifications for events. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you can easily turn on notifications for events on Facebook using your PC. Stay updated with all the important happenings and never miss out on exciting events. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. Start receiving notifications for events on Facebook today.